Good afternoon. My name is Christopher Dalton. I'm a licensed air conditioning contractor out in the Coachella Valley. Just wanted to let you know a little bit about this new HVAC inspired duct cleaning machine. I can't tell you the money I've been making on top of my service calls, on top of recommendations. It's a whole nother sales tool to grow your business. I've been using it on some of my contracts and my clients, they're loving it. It's a great product. So I hope you like the videos and the links, and go ahead and check it out.